barbacoa del diablo.
Jackson, what are your thoughts about today, Black History Month assembly?
Oh, I thought it was really great. It was really successful. And we worked hard with our students, and our students worked hard on their part in the show. So it came out exactly the way I thought it would.
What was the most interesting thing about this year's Black History Month assembly compared to other years?
Well, mainly we concentrated on an international festival, Mardi Gras. You know, it really didn't have anything to do with, you know, African American history, but more about international celebrations.